Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Ray.
And we have here of course Ryu again.
Yes.
Together with us. Sit down here, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Yes, yes, sit down so you can see it. Yes, you're wearing Spider-Man, right?
Yes.
Is that Spider-Man?
Yes.
Yeah, what happened to you?
Fireman, Dad wanted a fireman.
Okay, okay. So today, of course, yeah, they're wearing Spider-Man because they are going to unbox the new release of Hot Toys. Actually, not new release. It's been almost like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I think. Yeah, but we haven't opened yet. It's been with us since last week or last week. I think. Forgot. But yeah, so we're going to unbox our new Scarlet Spider-Man.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, of course from the game. Spider-Man, really. Another one. Spider-Man. Marvel, Spider-Man, Scarlet Spider. Yeah, VGM 34. Of course, by
Hot Toys 1/6 scale collectible.
Okay, let's take it out from the brown box. This is yeah, of course, the Scarlet Spider.
Shoot.
Yeah, of course,
Oh, it's an
Hot Toys.
exclusive
Yeah, of course, Hot Toys exclusive.
version.
Wow! Wow! Here you go, guys. The box very nice, guys. And it's very what? You stop. It's very shiny. You can see, guys, and then of course you can open right away to see what's inside the box.
Oh, pizza!
Yes, pizza, right? Yeah, Ryu loves pizza. Yeah, that's his favorite. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Wait. Let me show it first to the front.
I'll see.
Wow.
And
Yes. So first, show them this one.
the backdrop.
Yes, the backdrop. There you go, guys.
Yes,
Okay, and the next is, of course, the manual right here, guys. And then, be careful. Okay, so how many hands?
there are 4 pairs of hands.
Yes, 4 pairs of hands. So 4 pairs of hands, yeah, with different hand gestures. Of course, the extra joint right here,
Yes. Guess what?
and then
The webs.
spider web. This one is just only one spider web, guys. Only one, and yeah, and then of course this one.
See what that?
Yeah, that's the spider web. And then his camera right here. And then his phone. His
He's watching YouTube.
yeah, his mobile phone.
He's watching YouTube.
I know, right? He's watching
What
YouTube.
that?
Yeah. The next is, oh, there's more here. The normal, the common web. Every spider has.
5 hands. Well, dear.
Yeah, right here,
Five
guys.
minutes.
And then,
It's a pizza.
oh wait.
The pizza.
Here is the pizza. His food. Oh my god.
This was a donut.
And then he has donut too. Oh, because
And also
donut. Yeah, he has donut.
And
We're
a cup
hungry.
of coffee.
Yeah, a cup of coffee here.
And a pizza and a pizza box.
Yeah. What is this here?
A pizza.
What?
Eat one
Wow.
pizza.
Oops. There you go.
Pizza.
And of course the box right here, guys.
New York City. Peace.
Okay. Now let's put it back first. Let's put it back.
Yay.
Put it back first. Okay, let's put it back. Holder right here. Holder.
And this one too. That's that.
And of course the figure. Let's check out the figure. Whoa, it's so rad. Might gonna collect all. I mean, we might gonna collect all the Spider-Man suit. It's so nice, but this one's base is not good. We hit some damage. So let's remove the foam, some plastic, remove the plastic. Yeah, very raw, guys. Sorry, we have to remove the plastic first.
The pizza is
Very nice, guys, very nice. So, it's really like that because I saw the print. It's not in the middle, so you can see the print at the back, on his back, on his shirt, is not really in the center. So I thought it's really like that. Maybe not. You can see right here, just like sideways. And then you can see the details, and then it's very tight. It's like mixed, like fabric and the rubber material, and then it's somehow it's fixed, so it's not, you cannot move easily. So it's not easily moved, right? You cannot easily move his suit because it's very tight. You can see the details on his wrist, the weapon. Yeah, I didn't check. Yeah, maybe a web shooter, right? Maybe a web shooter, and then you can see he has the utility belt. Wow, just like Batman.
And this one.
And then
He
more.
stores more in the web.
Yeah, maybe web or maybe some
think it's
weapon.
web.
Yeah, and also he has something here
The,
on his ankle.
probably more.
Some pouch. Yeah,
Probably
very nice,
more
very cool.
Web. And very nice.
Details even to his face, the paint. Yeah, it's very good. It's very clean. Yeah, I like this one. And what I like, of course, the very muscular look. I mean, like looks really strong.
Yeah.
Right? Real, right? Yes. Yes. The muscles. You can see the articulation. Okay, look at his articulation. Be careful.
The open they kill.
Yes, the articulation is very nice, guys. You can see right here.
Just open it,
Stiff. There you go, guys. You can see the details. So,
double jointed.
yeah. Double jointed. It's very nice, guys. Yeah, even the paint job. Yeah, accessories also. His accessory is very nice too. How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
I
The
forgot it.
design on it is really nice with
that one
the mix of rubbery and fabric.
That one.
And then I think this is leather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It has many like
Maybe leather, maybe rubber material.
and
This and he's this one.
weapons
Yeah.
really
Weapons
nice.
and this one.
And then where he puts his weapons is like his military.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably why he's so muscular. He's probably
And this one he's so little.
No,
So this one
a
up
military.
way, and up here is
What?
raining,
Yeah.
and then he's water.
It's raining.
And I love how it
And
looks like made a DIY version of the spider.
Yeah, he has the hoodie shirt.
And
Which one?
the feet.
The feet, yeah, the feet is very nice, guys.
Shoes.
The shoes
Yeah, his shoes, right?
looks
Look at
looks like it's waterproof,
that.
like for water.
Yeah. His base also nice. So I didn't see any problem on this figure. I mean, just like the first
And the
Spider-Man video game also, it's very nice too, almost perfect. You know, I mean the quality, the details of his suit. Yeah,
What?
right.
His hand.
This one is too red, like really red.
Yeah, that's why it's
Strong.
Scarlet.
Yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it. Yeah, of course we can't wait for another Spider-Man. Yeah, the Spider-Punk suit also. That one's gonna be nice too. I mean, that one's gonna be
Is there
like,
any
I'm
more?
sure.
Is it other than
Maybe if they're going to make. Oh yeah, there's others. We remember we went to
And
the
pieces.
ACGHK and then they showed a lot of Spider-Mans.
Pikachu. And pieces.
Yes,
And this
picture
one.
camera. See
This
camera.
one,
Yes.
camera.
Okay. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Just a very quick one. And
This
yeah,
one.
very nice figure, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, very nice figure, guys. So yeah, I think if you love Spider-Man, yeah, it's a must. What are you gonna say to them, Martin, Ryu?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like and goodbye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, peace out. Peace out. How about you, Ryu? What can you say about this figure?
He have garters and he have wraps.
Mm-hmm.
He have head and feet, muscle
Yes. What else?
Big muscle like.
What else?
and hand,
Hand and what else?
feet,
Feet.
shoes,
Uh-huh.
and
What else?
shorts,
Short? This is pants. This is
Butt.
suit. His suit.
and butt,
No, not that. His suit.
shoot,
Yes.
and shoot.
What
Yeah.
else?
Shoots, webs,
Yeah.
webs, and sword and
No,
Yeah.
suit.
muscle there.
Yeah. Okay.